This is another study I did so many years ago, and I found that patients with, this is normal control people, had good response to their lymphocyte, white blood cells. But Alzheimer's patients had no response. Very important thing. And this was abnormal T cell function. And very recently, another researcher had now shown that look at these green spots. This is normal people, normal older people. But Alzheimer's patients do not show that green spot. That's for a protein uptake study by white blood cells. So the idea here is don't worry about all the details. I want you to understand that diseases of the aging, such as Alzheimer's disease, is a typical example where T cell function and immune function is very, very low, or it's not working properly, and that means it involves an autoimmune reaction for mechanism of pathogenesis. So you don't need to really translate that, but I want to tell you is that if that is the case, everything is down. How many people are out there with Alzheimer's disease? Like about 5 million people in the United States.
Wow.
Okay? If we normalize their immune system, we could possibly help them. And you know, so many years ago, in 1988 or 1990, we actually were looking at the transfer factor that we were making ourselves in the laboratory. And that was actually what it was doing was in Alzheimer's cases. So the disease diagnosis, disease goes down very quickly. But those cases that we studied and gave transfer factor, that progression was delayed. Do you understand me now? So this was so important observation. And I think we translate that information from so many years ago and think about the transfer factor products that 4Life is making. If we properly begin to use them to help these cases with Alzheimer's disease or depression, dementia, stress, I think we will make a huge impact on the life of these people.